How do you make a video on your YouTube channel? Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can make a video on your YouTube channel, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you would like to make a video on your YouTube channel, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go to studio.youtube.com and then you're going to be able to see this type of interface here. Now from here on, what you need to do is if you want to make and upload a video, here you can see the content section, which is the place you can choose to upload videos. So you can directly just click the upload videos option here, select the option called select files, choose a video that you would like to upload in this case, and then you can actually make a video. Now if you want to edit videos, there are many applications that you can use to edit depending upon your niche and your type and the type of customization and editing style you want. That really depends upon you, but to upload and make a video on YouTube, this is simply it. So hope this video helped you guys. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.